Welcome to our beginner's guide on Tripo AI. Today, we'll explore its impressive features and how it can supercharge your projects. First things first, let's set up your account. Visit the Tripo AI website and click on Sign Up. Follow these simple steps to get started. Now that you're logged in, let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. Here you'll find all the tools you need at your fingertips. Ready to start your first project? Choose from a variety of templates that best suit your needs, and let's dive in. Integration is key. Tripo AI works seamlessly with other tools to enhance your workflow. Let me show you how. To get the best out of Tripo AI, here are some tips for optimizing the responses you receive. Don't forget to explore Tripo AI's community. Join forums and access support resources to connect with other users. Let's look at some inspiring case studies. Discover how businesses have successfully implemented Tripo AI to achieve their goals. You might have some questions. Let's address the frequently asked questions to clear up any concerns you may have. That wraps up our guide. Stay tuned for future updates on Tripo AI. Exciting features are on the horizon.